Well, excited. Going to do an unboxing of the new iRobot Roomba i3 Plus. They've got two different models. One that comes with the clean base automatic dirt disposal unit, the big thing that actually sucks the dirt out of the vacuum into vacuum bags. And they also have the i3 Roomba robot separately without the clean base here. So let's start opening up. Let's see what we've got inside. Giant box, right? Of course, we've got the handy dandy instructions. We should always probably follow those before we set things up, but kind of three things inside here. So we'll take them all out. This, I imagine, is the actual robot. I think power. Oh, it just keeps going. Okay. Cardboard. Dun, dun. And here's the clean base. See if I can get this out. Ta-da! And that's all she wrote. Let's take this out first. And this is kind of the cool thing about this unit here. I love the clean base because I was a little tired of emptying out the previous Roombas I had. I mean, it wasn't a big deal, but it's nice that this thing can actually store 60 days worth of, or up to 60 days worth of dirt from the vacuum before you have to replace the bag. And that's a big feature too with the Roomba and this clean base and the actual vacuum bags. It actually traps 99% of the pollen, the mold, the dust mites in the actual bags. They've got something called allergen lock that makes sure that stuff doesn't get out. And this is good too if you've got pets like cats and dogs. It actually captures a lot of those allergens as well. So this is great for people that might be allergic to that, or people coming to your house that are allergic to that. Okay, clean base. We'll show you how it all works here in a minute, but I've got some of the accessories. It's the filter for the vacuum. And here was the vacuum bag I was talking about with the allergen lock. So this is great. It holds about 60 days worth of dirt, dust, and hair. And you would be surprised if you've got any animals in your house, how much hair that this thing will actually capture. Power cord for the clean base. Dun, dun, dun. So the one cool thing about the i3 Plus is just the price. They've had this type of technology out for a while, but it has been in the upper price range. This has been able to get it down into kind of a more of a mid-tier price. And do I have my handy dandy knife? No, I'll just rip that out. Bum, 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 bum. Here, oh, this is nice. A little bit different. It's got a bit of a texture to it compared to some of the other Roomba models. That's kind of nice because the other ones kind of had more of a shiny, kind of piano black type finish to it that got pretty fingerprinty if you're touching it a lot. Mm-hmm. And inside here, again, some more instructions. Should probably take those out. And the warranty. Doo-doo-doo. I think I need longer fingernails. Okay, that's out as well. Put that in the instruction pile. Da-da. I think underneath here there's some stuff. Or was I wrong? Not sure. Da-da-da. Put that on the floor as well. Yeah, so it's got dual multi-surface brushes on here. This is great for really sucking up all the dirt and the hair. And this is the thing that actually, when it goes back to the base to empty, kind of lines up with that and basically will suck all the dirt from the vacuum up into the clean base. Oh, it's already got, check this out, it's already got a bag installed here. So this is an extra bag that comes with it. Let's check underneath here. This can actually come apart as well, but I think it's already good to go. This is an extra as well. And so essentially you would plug this into the wall You would load this into the iRoomba or the iRobot app. You can even give it a name. I've actually named some of my Roombas after Sesame Street characters, but it's a good little robot. So I've yet to actually try it out, obviously, but this one here can automatically do all the rooms in your house, and if it runs out of battery, it'll go back to the base to recharge, and then it'll go back and finish the job, which I think is kind of a cool thing. It's got automatic dirt detection as well, so it knows the areas that are going to need a little extra special love. So that's it, iRoomba 3 Plus, and we'll be giving this a bit of a go around on a future segment.